Hi, welcome to Yoga Download. My name is Shabadpreet, and I'm really excited to be here with you today. Coming to you from Los Angeles, I'm a teacher at RAMA Institute for Applied Yogic Science and Technology, and we're really excited to be sharing Kundalini Yoga and Meditation here. Check out our content live on Yoga Download. I came to Kundalini Yoga on accident, actually. I was a Hatha and Vinyasa practitioner and literally wandered into a Kundalini Yoga class one day in New York City and just had the most profound experience in such a short period of time. And that's really what brought me to this practice. I think that Kundalini Yoga is one of the fastest growing yoga practices on the planet right now because it's so holistic. It really speaks to people in so many different ways. There's a strong physical practice, there's a strong breath or pranayama practice. It engages the body in different and sort of unconventional ways that you don't really find in like traditional athletics or other contemplative practices. And I think also one of the things about Kundalini Yoga that draws so many people is that it has such a strong meditative component. It's real mind training. Kundalini Yoga is so effective for dealing with stress, anxiety, depression, any issues of addiction. There's so many people out there who are really struggling in a big way with a lot of these things, and a lot of the conventional therapies that we're accustomed to turning to deal with these things don't seem to be meeting people's needs. Kundalini Yoga gives you more energy, and it gives you a bigger experience of your own energy, and it has an effect of helping you to sort of zoom out of the immediate grip of depression or the immediate grip of anxiety and give you a broader focus so that you have more energy to start to overcome any of those things.